picking up. Let's get our head back in here. See how we're doing with it. And we're going to do a little bit of work with it. Yeah. Just got to move topological. Might help make this transparent. It's fairly big. Actually, let's make it really big. Move a lot of this out. And let's just make sure we've got a good crossing across the center, because we're going to mirror and weld all this. That's looking pretty good. Evening up on these guys. Let's get the move tool and move it the whole thing a little bit to the left here, just to get it off the head. That's looking pretty good. And I could spend a little bit more time fixing up these. It's a little bit kinked through here, a little wavy. Again, I don't want to spend too much time. Just get the flow across here working a little better. That's not bad. Yeah, pretty good. Alright, so let's see, is this enough across? Well, we'll mirror and weld it and find out. Let's turn that transparency off. Here, it's looking close. We'll see what happens. Nope, not quite. Make sure we get it. There we go. Yeah, looking good. And I'm not sure how that creasing through here is going to affect it, so we may want to, let's subdivide it a few times. That's actually pretty good. But if it did negatively affect it, here's where we could come back to our Z-modeler brush. And then with crease edge still on, you could hold Alt and click it, and that'll uncrease it. And let's see, let's solo it and get it on the inside as well. And that way, when you subdivide it, see, it's going to keep it nice and smooth across there. We're not getting any of those bevels in it. Smooth if needed. Yeah, so from here, I would probably Dynamesh it, pull things out, do whatever you need to sculpt it into a better pair of glasses. Let's see. Let's turn on symmetry and check my time. And if I don't have enough geometry, running through here, again, here's where our Z modeler brush can come in handy. Let's switch this back to inserting edge loops and add some edge loops into here, and then this might be one where it would be easier to just delete out everything but one of these front-facing pieces, work on that, and then use the Z modeler to just Q-mesh it to the thickness that you want. For example, so Control Shift, let's get our select rec here, do that so that we've got the other one. Let's make sure that, yep, it's just the outer one. And then K and delete the hidden. Yeah, so here, now I'm just working on just the two-dimensional mesh. So it's a little easier to pull things around, get them where I need them. A little more geometry here to further tune all this. Why are you not moving that point? There you go. Now this is going to cause the geometry to get a little bit more dense through the through this area here, so you could go in and add some more. Just to break this up a little bit better. That's probably fine. I don't know whether adding any this way would be a good idea or not. But then back over polygroup, do Q-mesh, and set that to all polygons, and then let's Q-mesh it in. And going in, going out, it's easy, that's fine, but it's going to push it out too far. But going in, let's get around to this side, turn on bubble. See if that'll work. If not, we'll flip everything. Okay, yeah, it's going to work. And you notice that automatically creases those edges. So now I could Control D. Although I'm really not liking how that's kind of kinking things up. So let's back out of that. Taking out a lot of those extra edge loops would help. There we go. Yep. Yeah, a little bit weird through there. But it gives me a little bit better nose piece. Through here. Nope, I'm really not liking that. So away you go. There. Let's add one in there, and then this edge, let's see if we can bevel it, and yeah, the whole edge loop, yeah, there we go. In fact, that might be a better way to do this. So bevel out, insert, had symmetry on when I did that one. Let's turn that off. If you ever want to insert it dead in the center, let's right click and do multiple edge loops, and then just click it, and that'll put it right in the center, but it'll change the polygroup, so we'll have to go back and deal with those. I'm not going to worry about that because I might just end up mirror and welding this thing anyway. So, well, no, it's already changed the polygroup, so let's go ahead and do that. And then let's click on that and bevel it. That's looking pretty good. Yeah, and then from here I might be able to get everything back to a good polygrouping just by group by normals. Yeah, and that's doing a pretty good job. Looks like I lost some of the creasing, so let's come back up here. Let's increase all and then increase PG. Yeah, looking good. And I may want to, no, I'm going to leave those. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, much better. All right, let's stop here.